How to upload videos to YouTube from your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload YouTube videos on mobile, as well as I'm going to show you how you can add thumbnails and text to your videos. And if it helps you out, please do leave a like, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and let's jump into the video. And one more thing, the process will be same on whichever device you have, whether you have an Android or iPhone device, the process will definitely be the same. So to upload a YouTube video on mobile, first open YouTube app on your phone, and then click on your profile picture, and then click on your channel, and here click on manage videos, and now click on this plus icon and select on upload a video, and select the video that you want to upload. So here you can see these are the videos that I have recently created. So here I'm selecting this one. After selecting the video, you'll come to this page, and here you can trim your videos as well, but here I'm not gonna trim it. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna click on next. And here importantly, add a title of your video. So let me add a title for this video. After adding title of the video, now it's time for description. So add a little description of your video. Tells people briefly what's your video about. So let me add some description to this video real quick. After adding your description, go back or click on this left arrow icon and make your video as unlisted or private, because when you're gonna upload the video, you need to add thumbnails for your videos, and here in YouTube app you cannot do that. So make it as unlisted, and then click on next. And here select if your videos is made for kids or not. So here I'm selecting no, it is not made for kids, and then click on upload, and wait until for your video to get fully uploaded and proceed it. So after it finished uploading, click on this three dot icon right next to your video and click on edit, and here scroll down and click on add tags, and here add tags of your videos. And tags are very important, it helps you to get your videos on search result. So definitely add some tags for your videos. So let me add some tags to this video. So after adding some tags, click on save. And as you cannot add thumbnails to your videos on YouTube app, you have to download YouTube Studio app on your smartphone. You can get it on both Play Store as well as App Store. So after downloading and installing YouTube Studio app on your smartphone, open YouTube Studio, and here you will see this type of interface. Now click on this upper left corner's three horizontal line and click on videos, and here you will see your recently uploaded videos. So here you can see this is the video that I have just recently uploaded. Now I'm gonna click on this video, and here to add thumbnail to your video, click on this pencil icon, and again here click on this pencil icon. And importantly, to add custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos, your YouTube account must need to be verified. And if you don't know how to verify YouTube account, watch this video on my channel. It's gonna help you to verify your YouTube account. I will link this video in the description, you can watch there. So if your YouTube account is verified, you will get this custom thumbnail option. As you're gonna add thumbnail to your video, click on custom thumbnail and select the thumbnail that you have created for your video. So let me select my thumbnail real quick. So after choosing your thumbnail, click on select, and then scroll down and make your videos as public, and click on save, and then refresh the page. And here you can see this is how you can upload YouTube videos on mobile. And if you found this video is helpful, please do me a big favor by hitting that like button and also subscribe button. And if you want to create a YouTube channel and verify your YouTube account, watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.